dia tak balance bagi tahu mungkin ya. Balance sakit.
Here is a remnant of the headhunter days. 5 skulls on display above a doorway.
So come on in, I'll show you the bathroom here at the Longhouse. So here, we sit on the toilet like you would normally do. And then when you're done, you gotta come in a little bit further. After you pee or whatever, then you get a scoop of water and you pour it in the bowl to be able to wash the pee or whatever down the toilet. And so that you may have to do that a couple of times to make sure it's all clear, if you understand what I mean. And then politely put that back down for the next person. There you go. For the shower, you have here the shower, and you just turn this nozzle right here to turn the water on, and then that's your shower. And then you can use this bucket with the scoop to be able to rinse off anything that you can't get well with this. That's the shower.